Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of God through the witnessed and the interpreted. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Go beyond forms in your understanding and realization of God consciousness. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. All material conditions necessitate change. Actual duty left undone is sinful life. True mortality is neither by social nor personal attachment, but by God's pleasure. The void will be after material existence, as it was before. There has always been God as unmanifest before that. Those who struggle in the right cause are rewarded in this world and in the afterlife. Dancing and fighting are what they are, with or without particulars of social or material circumstances. The battlefield is a place of miracles. Our purpose of life is to alleviate and prevent insanity. Devotion to God and living spiritually is seen as sanity. Neither dreams nor visions nor physical forms are eternal, but they teach us of the process of manifestation and what is real. The microscopic and macrobes all have souls. Discover religious principles for yourself. It is the job of government to maintain the actuality of societal classes. Government is to make sure the priests and rulers don't cheat the people. Governments should allow all claims to religion and help verify that. People are better upon those claims. A disciple should become of the priestly caste. A priest should not even be one who will lie to an enemy. Do not abuse chanting, ritual, or scripture by using it to merely justify or excuse yourself. The priests should correct the government. It is the responsibility of government to never use public funds for mere art or distractions. Now, there is art with purpose, art and science, but don't treat charms, amulets, or idols as gods. Perfection of worship is the purpose of life. Violence is meant to protect life. Connecting and linking are the same path, without whimsy. Service of God is not out of a need of God. War or cultural epics will not satisfy the way those of understanding of God will, but they can be as one. Soldiers should generally not be drafted, but trained from youth. Are principles. Well, hopefully, and, right? There is, as a rebirth of a mother and father sort, by soulmates and spiritual masters. And the voice, the verse from chapter 11 that I thought to share, if I can share no other at this point, is text 39. Text 38. Tavam adidava purusa puranas dvamasya visvasya param nindanam netase vanyam cha param cha dhammatvaya tattam visvam anantarupa. You are the original, shining personality, the oldest of this universe, transcendental, the refuge, the knower. You are the knowable and transcendental, and refuge by you has pervaded the universe. O unlimited form. And it can be said that the universe takes refuge with God because the universe exists and is maintained by God. Hence, titles like Vishnu. But as I said, going beyond the forms. Don't think that the personifications are mentions in idols and such, or, the story. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.